So in my perspective, it is the most dangerous thing I have ever observed. Even I have also experienced it.
Look at this. This is the television and as well as radio.
because of technology, because they are just making videos for getting views.
It can help us in every stage of life.
So people kill them. Why? Because of social media.
People used to be used grinding stone.
Mobile phone invented to destroying Muslim people's majority.
Smartphone is play vital role in our life.
Assalamu alaikum one and all. Hope you all are doing well. This is me Sabiswan on the behalf of Englishin. Today we are here for the group discussion, and the group discussion topic is about the technology and the impact of the technology. My class is going to discuss regarding technology, that is it harmful or it's beneficial for our generations or our area as well as. Okay, so Mr. Hizbullah, please start your point first.
Assalamu alaikum. Today I am going to show you one of the most dangerous platform I've ever seen, and this is called Sora AI. By Sora AI, people are creating so many videos, and it gives you ultra realistic result. So in my perspective, it is the most dangerous thing I have ever observed. Even I have also experienced it.
Okay, means you wanna say that it's really
Really harmful for the new
and means it's a side effect of the technology.
Yes, it is a side effect
Okay,
of
that's good
technology.
point, Miss. Anybody else? Do you wanna say
It's
something?
my concern. So I don't think so that every time it is harmful for us, because we have so many technologies as well as which is very advantages, which we have very advantages. For example, this is, look at this. This is the television and as well as radio. People used to entertain themselves once in a blue moon, but now we have advanced technology of television, LCD. We can easily entertain ourselves whenever we want. In past era, people used to send letters and people used to send letters and express their feelings once in a week, and which used to take a lot of time. But now we have mobile phone. We can easily send a message and and we can easily express our feeling to our loved ones. It is a very amazing thing.
That's a good point. Well done, Miss Favia. What's your point of view regarding
in
this?
my in my perspective, being a student, it is very dangerous for us. If you talk about any student, they directly search on ChatGPT. They are just using platforms, they are not using their minds. I have a video I want to show it. A person who is fall on railway track, but no one is helping him. Why? Because of technology, because they are just making videos for getting views.
That's great. Yes, Miss Mehak, what do you wanna say about technology? What's your point of view regarding this?
Sir, as per as my concern, I firmly believe that technology plays a vital role in our life. We can see a lot of technologies a lot of invention in our area that plays a vital role in our life. It can help us in every stage of life. If anybody says that technology is not good, but we are just seeing that technology is viraling our photos, but we are not seeing the disadvantages of technology.
Technology, very good.
Okay, people, you know what, the thing which has its benefit, it also has drawbacks. So we can obviously we can say that technology plays a vital role in our life.
That's a good point. Okay, Mr. Faisal, what's your point of view regarding that?
Sir, as far as I consider that technology,
As far as I concerned,
as far as I know that technology, it can be very harmful for us. We all know that the respect is very, especially I would like to mention that women in this topic. Do you know the respect of women? It's very important for women,
it's
for
women.
them. It's women.
Exactly.
So nowadays, do you know what's happening in the social media or TikTok or on Instagram? There are a lot of girls. They are making videos and they are showing their faces, but it is prohibited in our Islam. A girl,
She should.
she should apply the like we can say abaya, we can say wear the veil.
Mhm.
But at the result, they upload their video, they are making video, but as a result it would be very harmful for them. We can see the result of Sana Yusuf, and we have many more girls. They are being killed
They
because
have
of
been killed.
they have been killed because of social media, because of these things. Because first of all, they make video and people like them, people propose them, and if they deny, so people kill them. Why? Because of social media. So I think it can
Okay,
be
it's a
very
quite dangerous. Really, it's a
dangerous for
really
us.
harmful for that. Yes. Anybody else who wanna say something about this? Okay. Like Miss Mehak wants to say something. Yes, Miss Mehak, please.
Sir, you know what, if we have a strong faith, so we can't do anything like which is dangerous for ourselves. Okay, if anybody is uploading our videos, so it she has not a strong faith. Sir,
Very
I
good. Very
wanna
good. Very
say
good. Okay, you can. Javeria. Yes. May you
technology
please
is
tell?
technology is one of the most.
May you please show your picture? That what is that? Okay, clearly, please. What are these?
It is juicer machine
Okay.
and it is grinding stone.
Very good. Okay, then what do you wanna prove?
I want to say that if I talk about in past era, people used to be used grinding stone and they face many difficulties. If I talk about in this technical era, so people are using
Juicer
juicer
machine.
machine and they make juice easily and they make sauce easily.
Okay, you wanna say that technology is saving the time?
Yes.
Okay, that's good point.
Muhammad Bhai, showed video to you all. Just the thing is that he is also saying that it is very harmful. But as per I concern that it is not harmful every time, because I want to ask question that did technology said to you that make video at the time of danger? No, definitely not. It's our mindset that we have set our mindset after if someone is denying, if someone is failing, if someone is being failed, so we will have to make video. It is our mindset. Technology is not saying us to make video at the time of danger.
Technology itself is not bad. It depends on how we use it. How we use it, it is very essential to know. As you know, those people who are using it wisely, they are taking advantages. Even they are making millions of dollars by sitting at home. It is due to technology. If it's used wisely, it can be fruitful. If it's used blindly, it can be harmful.
Okay, here I have a question that are you against technology? Are you in favor of technology?
Here I want to say that everything has two sides, negative and positive. So I am talking about both sides.
Okay, that's great. Mr. Discussion is there. That's good point. Okay, yes, Mr. John Mama, do you wanna say something? You wanna add one more things out?
If I talk about this mobile phone, why it's mobile phone invented? Mobile phone invented to destroying Muslim people's majority. Why? Because they are, if we talk about Muslim peoples, they are just using mobile phones. Mobile phone invented to destroying Muslim people's majority. If we talk about old era, people had very good bond. But now, if we talk about now, they are enemies to each other.
Okay, means you are saying that this mobile phone is really
Yes, sir.
bad for us.
It is very harmful for us.
But I think so that everybody is having mobile phone right now, and
Sir,
you're also having.
yes,
It's
sir. I
also
have,
dangerous
but
for you.
sir, it is very harmful for us.
Okay,
That's
sir.
why I'm
Okay.
speaking about
Then
that.
why are you having in your pocket? It is dangerous. You know that. Why are you having it? Is
Sir,
it?
it's
It's a
modern era.
question.
That's why.
Yes, it's a question. Yes. So
Because it's
please.
a modern era.
Okay,
That's why
means
we have.
you wanna just have it just
And
because of
if
the modern era.
And sir, if we talk about, and I wanna say that sir, if we talk about PUBG Mobile, you
Hmm.
know, you all are
PUBG
know.
game. Yeah.
Yes, yes, PUBG
Exactly.
game. You all know about the PUBG game. I was watching a video. In this video, a person who killed his whole family because of the game. He went crazy because he was thinking that I am in game. That's why he killed his whole family.
I guess it's a fault of the game, not
No,
the
sir.
fault of the mobile
Who
phone.
invent the game?
Okay.
Influencers are invented the game because of the AI generated.
Anybody wants to say
Games are
about
AI
this
generated.
mobile phones? Yes, Miss Kinza. Okay, you are having something, I guess, in your hand.
As
Uh,
per as my knowledge, technology is very beneficial for us. I am talking about the mobile smartphone. So smartphone is play vital role in our life. So I am showing a picture. He invented the smartphone, and he also had to face many difficulties. That's why he invented the mobile phone, and by the help of mobile, we can connect our loved ones, our family. So mobile phone is very beneficial for
okay, I
us.
guess we have gotten the answer of John Muhammad that he was saying that the mobile phone is really dangerous for us. but now you have just told that it's really beneficial.
As per as my knowledge, so in COVID-19, no one able to goes to outside, no one able to sit together.
No one was able
No
to
one was able to go to
outside.
outside. I mean, no one able to goes to sit together. So on that time, mobile was very helpful for us. Every business was closed on that time, but some people, there were lots of people earning money from mobile phone.
Okay, Miss Anamta, you're quiet. Why so? Don't you have any points, please?
I have. I would like to share my opinion that what I think about this topic. So, in my opinion, that technology has really made our life very easy. It's totally up to us that how we use it, as Bulla Bhai mentioned. So, because everything has pros and cons, so it's up to us that how we use it. And in my opinion, that it made our life very easy because if you look at previous era, so in past people used to travel on animals. Like if someone wanted to perform Hajj or Umrah, so they had to travel for many weeks and many months even. But now we have aeroplanes, and airplane we can travel in just a few hours. And that time, like in previous era, only one person could sit on one animal. But now in aeroplane, many people are traveling on a daily basis. Like in one animal, there are more than 50.
But I think so that you know about like if we people are having the vehicles in our in our surrounding, so we are having some sort of the pollutions, like air pollution is there just because of the smoke. Okay, that dark smoke is there. Don't you think that this you're talking about the vehicles? So are these
No, sir.
it's really harmful
No,
for
sir.
us?
So for the politician,
Pollution, very
we
good.
can grow the plants as well. So it's
Mhm.
up to us, na, that if we want to remove pollution, so
Okay,
we
means
should
we must have a
grow plants.
plantations as well as, yeah, good
It's
point
not
is there.
the
Fault of the,
fault of the
that's
technology.
great. Huria, you're I guess you're having something in your hand. May you please elaborate what do you want to say regarding technology? That's great. May you please help her? That's good point. Means what is that?
It is lighten and it is solar system.
That's great. What do you want to prove? Please speak in mic.
As well as my perspective, what I think you all are saying, technology playing an important role in our modern life. If I talk about before technology, we had people had this. People did not used to complete their work easily. People used to face many difficulties. If I talk about after technology, if we don't have electricity, so we have solar system, we can complete our work easily.
Okay, means you want to say that technology has made our life easier
Yes,
and it is
very beneficial for us.
that's good point. Yes.
According to my point of view, is that vehicle are one of the most useful invention of technology. In past, people used to use animal.
State correct.
People used to use animal, and they used to put